In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Passat key fob. One thing to note is that there are two key fobs for the Passat that look almost exactly the same. You can see I have the one with the indicator light down here on in the middle of the device. There's another one where it is up in the corner. If you have that one where it's up in the corner, it's going to be a different process for you. It's a different video. So go check down in the description and there will be a link that'll take you over to the appropriate video for that device. And if you have this one, indicator light in the middle, obviously you just stay here and we'll get that battery replaced for you in just a couple of minutes. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver, one CR2032 battery. And if you don't have one of these lying around, go check out that first link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. Flip this thing open, find the opening right here. You can see there's that space. Put your flathead screwdriver in there and give it a twist. You can now wiggle this top piece off. And now working over here in this, again, in that key space, put the flathead in and pry to push this back piece up, just like that. You can now work over here on the battery. And you can see there's that opening kind of in the plastic housing right here. Take the corner of your flathead screwdriver, go down in there, and try to just pry the battery up. It's easier with a smaller flathead, but as you can see, it's pretty easy if you just use the corner of a larger flathead as well. When you're putting in your new CR2032, make sure that the positive side that has all this text and information is facing down, and you'll just click that into place, positive side down. Now all we need to do is put it all back together. So just set these two on top, line it up and squeeze. And now you can just slide this on there and squeeze that back into place as well. And if you'd like to make sure you did everything correctly, just make sure that that indicator light turns on when you press one of the buttons. And with that, you have a new battery in your key fob and you should be good to go for a long time. Hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoyed it and found it easy. If you did, feel free to give us a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.